Okay guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across Zion Hub Logistics, this is where we discuss mini importation at large, e-commerce, procurement, R&B and all that. So stay tuned as you watch this video. So please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is free to subscribe. Please, I beg you in God's name. So in a very quick one, I have different issues when it comes to 1688, so I decided to record this video. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be making use of this 1688 to log into my account. Before now, I used to have this account on my app, right? So but for the sake of some people that said they don't know their username, they don't know their how to say their password, that's why I'm requesting, people have been requesting for me to do this video. So what you want to do to regain your password back without going through the stress of you remembering your username and all that, come to your browser. This is my browser. Type 1688. So let me refresh this page. This is my 1688, and you can see before now that this account has not yet to be logged in, right? So let me just wait for this page to load while I translate. So let me just translate this to English for you to see what I'm talking about. You can see that we have search here instead of logged in. I don't know if this account has been logged in, but nevertheless, let me just click on this necklace for me to confirm if this account has been logged in. Do you get it? So now we have this item, right? So let me just check if I can buy this item for real. So this is where you get to know if this account is logged in or not. So let me just use to, then I click on continue. So you can see that this account is not logged in. Clicking on that item will automatically takes me here where I get to log in. So this is where you reset your password and all that, but stay tuned, I'm still going to be teaching you something here. So click on this 1688. Once you click on it, by default this is what you are going to see. The first thing you want to do is to check this box here. Click on it. You know, I've already checked in, right? I zoom in again. So I believe, let me see if I can translate. Okay, there is no option of translating. So guys, this is by default. You can see that we have this. After clicking on the first option, it takes us here. So this, the same thing applicable to the 1688 app. You know, we are using the web version. So you just click on this black icon here. So once you click on it, it will give you the option to use SMS code login. This might not be available on the app version of 1688. Do you get it? So I believe this is the only place, the browse version, the browser. So this is where we get to have access to it. So for us that is having issues in we getting recovering our password back, that's why I'm recording this video, right? So change the number to your calling your country. So we are in Nigeria right here. So let's look for +234. Let's look for +234. Okay, we have +234 here. You click on that green icon, then you come here to paste your number. Make sure you are using paste, copy and paste. Okay, so you clear this 40. Now after doing this, let me check. Okay, I can't still translate this page. All right, so after you've already input this number here, what you want to do is to click on this guy to request for a code. Do you get it? Once you request for a code, this is where you are going to be logging in your account to regain your account back. Do you get it? Let me just request for a code now, and you are going to see that it's going to log us in directly. We are going to be having access to that account. So once we gain access back to that account inside that app, this web version, that is where we are going to be resetting a new password. This is just like gaining entrance to somewhere. You know, after gaining entrance, you get to see what is happening inside the whole building. So that is what that is how it happens. So let me just click on this guy. So I've clicked on this guy. You can see that he's telling us to verify if you are not a robot. So you swipe at the right. So you can see there is a countdown. So let's wait for the arrival of this code. All right, we get this code, you input. Then after you input this code, make sure that you can see that this countdown is still going. It's just 1 minute. So once you are done, you click on this orange icon here to log in. Automatically your account will logged in directly. So that is how to log in. You can see that. So once you have been able to do that, it's going to take you to this page back since we've already logged in, right? So if you want to order now, you can start ordering for your product. So let me just open another tab for you to see what your 1688 account will look like. 1688. So once you have been able to do that, you can continue buying your goods on the web version. Do you get it? So let me say I want to buy this. Okay, let me use this slide here. So I click on it. Is still the same thing as the app, right? Some people just prefer the app than this. So once you, let me just say I want to buy 3 of these. So it got into this stage the other time that's locked out, so you can see that it's not going to be logging out again. So let me scroll. Okay, so you can see that it has taken us to this page. So it's more or less like the app too. This is where to change your address, and this is where to do the other thing. So once you have been able to do this, let me proceed. Let's say we are okay with this and we've confirmed what they want to charge us. You can see that we have our 1.69 point this. So once you go ahead, it will open your Alipay, then you make the payment. I believe with this you are good to go with your sales and to recover your account back. So you can see that if at all I did not got this account back, it will not take me to this step. So if you are still having any issues related to this, you can do well to message me, or for more clarification, just message me on this WhatsApp number. Okay, so let me just proceed. Let me click on this orange icon here where you can see where it's going to be showing me to make my payment. You can see that it has already taken me to my Alipay here. Okay, so I want us to know that if at all this is not going to work, it's not going to break into this level. Okay, so that is how to get it set, and that is how to get it done. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you.